This video shows the installation and update of the Cara CureGuide for the Cara Print LEDcure. Before setting up the device, please read the manual. This is included in the delivered package on a USB stick. Please save the PDF of the manual on your PC before operating the device and read it through completely. Pay particular attention to the safety instructions, specifications and information contained. Updated Kulzer material programs in the Cara Print CureGuide are available for download via the Kulzer homepage. The term 2021-03 means version 2021, issue 3. In addition to the CureGuide update, you will also find a zip file with drivers on our website. Please download this file, unzip it and install the appropriate driver for your operating system. Only then, it is possible to continue with the update of the Cara Print LEDcure. Save the current Cara Print CureGuide file on the PC and unpack the files contained in the directory. A subdirectory with the same version number is created separately for each version. In this subdirectory there are two files with identical version identifiers. It is important that you do not rename any file, otherwise the update will not be performed and an error message will appear. At the same time, a subdirectory with various files is created. Please make sure that your PC is set to COM7. If your PC connects via another USB COM port, an update is not possible. Now switch off your Cara Print LEDcure. Connect your PC to your Cara Print LEDcure with the USB cable. Switch on your PC and select the update directory. Press and hold the middle button below the display on your Cara LEDcure while switching the device on again. The display remains dark and the device is in update mode. Start the BAT file on your PC with a double click. A terminal screen opens, which displays the files and interface for the update in the top line. Check the version number of the file and that of the interface. If they do not match, cancel the process and close the screen. Check the file versions stored in the directory. If the version number and the COM interface match, start the update by pressing any key on your keyboard. The process bar shows the progress of the update process. After a successful update, an info message is displayed. Now press any key on your keyboard. The update screen then closes again. The Cara Print LEDcure starts automatically with a signal tone and is ready for use again. The material data with the new Cara CureGuide were automatically transferred and saved. Customer-specific programs were not changed or deleted. Remove the USB cable from your Cara Print LEDcure and your PC. The update process is finished.